Unbox my K29 with me. I've been wanting to have this for a while now. Here's the manual. I'll read that later. So one thing I love about this K29 is that it can be used for various things. Okay, so you can use it as a selfie stick. You just have to extend it to the length you need it to be, and this is the phone holder here. You can rotate it 360. Okay, you just have to open it and fix in your phone, take your selfies. You can adjust the length, take your selfie. Another thing I love about it is this Bluetooth shutter here. Okay, instead of, because this is very long, it's over 250 centimeters tall, so whenever you have it high up for an overhead shot, you can just use this Bluetooth shutter to record your videos or take your pictures instead of thinking of how to get up there. Okay, so that's one thing I love about this. If you're someone that's into podcasts or you do face content, you can just use it as a table phone holder, a table tripod. You just have to adjust the length. You place it on your table. You can open this up. Okay, you can open this up, place it on your table, adjust the length. You can also use it for overhead shots. Okay, that's the major reason why I got this. I record tutorials, so I need it high up for overhead shots, so you can raise this high up. Okay, another thing is this is a universal, I've forgotten, but like you can attach your cameras here, you can attach your ring lights here, so many things. Okay, so you can also attach lights at these two ends right here, and it's a 360, should I say, shutter, so it rotates 360. It's so lovely. So I'll be doing an overhead shot for you to see how tall this is. This is super tall, super tall.
All right, here we go. Hey, give me the baba shake. Hey, give me the baba shake. Hey, give me the baba shake. I'm so excited. As you can, this overhead shot is everything I needed. There's nothing as exciting as getting a tool you really need.
Lest I forgot, I was given this suction phone holder as a complimentary gift when I got this tripod, so I'll be showing you how to use it.
So this suction phone holder is used on plain surfaces. They must be smooth, metal, plastic, and all that. So you're going to open this up and attach it at the back of your phone or your pouch. For me, I'll be attaching it on my pouch because I have a silicone pouch and it's smooth. So you can apply this on a pouch that's not smooth. So after attaching it, you want to seal it up with your hands. Okay, seal it up row by row, column by column, until it laps really well. Okay, because you don't want your phone to so as you can see, I'm using a wardrobe because it's plain, so you want to press it on your plain surface, and here we go. Just put your selfie camera, because you know, since it's on a surface, you can use the back camera. So this is what we'll have. Because of the reflection of the light, you will not see properly, but it's working really fine, and you can see it's really gripped to the wardrobe. So that's the essence of using a plain surface, so it can grip and not fall off.
So is it a good buy? Yes. How would I rate it? I'll give it a 9/10 because nothing is perfect.